Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Gabi here. We are going and checking the areas of your life that need strengthening at the very moment. If you felt drawn to this video, there's a big chance that you need to take a look at this, and I'm gonna share as well information that may come from the other side, and also that I'm reading here from this collective that may benefit you in different ways. So make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and follow as well here the channel. You can also um, connect with me through my page gabigal.com, and in there you're going to see as well other opportunities if you'd like to join us at the EMC2. But otherwise, if it's enough for you here, it's okay. We are going ahead and checking information intuitively here for this collective. So I'm seeing that there is some health concerns that we need to strengthen right now, and it has to do with illnesses, and it's illnesses from the past. So let me see what this is about. Okay, it's something that's been done. It's been a direct karma, and it's being connected with. It's an energy of perhaps numbing or stopping yourself or not speaking up, and it is connected with the blockage in your energy system. Let me see which levels. I'm seeing here solar plexus coming up, and also the thoracic area there, the cavity, and the right side. They show me here on the right side of the thoracic area. Let's strengthen central core and also lungs, and strengthening as well, and deleting any kind of past experiences with illnesses from other people as well, from your father's side. And we're going here to the bladder and clearing the fears connected with that, and connected with infections, with viruses, and all of these memories at cell level. So let's remove that, and let's release and let go and see. Um, yeah, infections I'm getting here. So let's open up your portals in your body here. And I'm going to say some words in light language. Just stick in and feel how it resonates in your system. Akosa stoyo pui e he yama tana kutu. E atoke ate shastuko yo po yo notoma. E akata so ye ke a hao waya kotu. E anata suko yo me ka nanaso waya. Ano tosuke kea tasataya to yapeto. Eno keo to koyo moma. Ana kasa to you do toma. Ehe kea to feto. Eto. Now I'm feeling like there is a release and a change and around the lungs, and an opening in the heart space, and also releasing here of information and some energies they're coming from other people, above all from your father's side, and it's a clearing happening through the throat, and a lot of words and things perhaps that have been said that you took in, and that created some kind of blockage in your energy system. And now I'm feeling like something opening, above all within the throat. I'm seeing here that the parathyroid glands are being unblocked, and the calcium production also unblocked. Let's balance out the production and then restore the cells and the original information in the cells. It's painful. I'm feeling pain here. For some of you guys, going to experience some pain here. And let's see here. Nerve supply is strong. We're strengthening the connection with the thyroid and the parathyroid glands, and also the connection with um, regulation of calcium in the body, and the connection with the heart, and delivery and the usage of calcium. But also, we are going here to the thyroid and balancing out T2, T3, and the general metabolism in the body, and the connection with the with hypothalamus as well. Let's here regulate the negative feedback and strong. And let's go to the intracellular fluid and take a look at what's happening within the cells, around this area, and I'm seeing like there is some stress there. So let's release that and let go and set free. And let's regulate here oxygen and water. Strong. Okay, let's connect here with the central nervous system. And I'm seeing here 2, 3, C. Let's maybe read here the information here. Connect to that. Sometimes my guides just give me the path directly. I'm just gonna say here and 2, 3, C. Okay, it's up. It's the cervical spine here. Yeah. Okay, and let's connect here with the optical nerves, the auditory nerves, and the sinus. I would say it's in English here. We have in here connection with the trifascial nerve and the and all parts of the face and the face. Yeah, it's happening here. Interesting because it said it is intuitively 2, 3, C and or C2 and C3, and I had no idea about where it was exactly, and I didn't remember it was about this, but it was about exactly what we've been working with. So it's opening up here, here something's opening up here, and cleansing here, and balancing out, and opening up. So it's now working here at the face. So let's strengthen here for renew and also cleansing the telepathic systems in the body, and cleansing your third eye and your uh, also all the glands in your body and your hormonal system, and balance out the information and information that's being sent out to your cells and organs. And also let's remove the information located right now at the neutrons. Okay, particularly traveling around your throat, and it's information that's not yours. So let's remove that and let go. I'm feeling like it's a resolution coming and release around this area here. And so let's see, strengthen your conscious awareness in the present moment, and let's exit all of these energies from your body. Shall be removed right now. You can take a deep breath if you want to. It doesn't matter. We're doing the work telepathically. You just take in what I'm saying. Even if you don't understand, you're gonna feel a switch in your experience. And when we are working at these deep levels, because we are working at very, very deep levels, and these levels are like karmic levels, and levels beyond the human experience, and then we are going directly at the root causes, and then we can experience physical changes on the spot. Myself, I've experienced some physical changes on the spot, and working with myself as well with this method. And I blended the UN method and also my own knowledge of energy, medicine, and medical science, as well as other medicines and spiritual medicine as well in this work. And um, I've also been guiding people throughout the last decade, so I've learned a great deal about experiences and how things are manifested and materialized in the physical. And so I've improved my own capacity to read on the spot and identify information and translate energy into information on the spot. And I've also worked a lot with myself. So during the last decades, I've been um, writing about 200 pages a month, 300 pages a month in self exploration and downloads and information about energy and about these things that I'm sharing here with you. So hopefully you're also going to experience an upgrade and embrace more balance and alignment and abundance in your life. And I'm doing this from my heart. So I deeply appreciate your support here on the channel, at least subscribing and sharing your insight. And you have free hands if you want to send a gift, or if you want to subscribe to some of the things that I offer on my page. It's up to you. But I'm doing this unconditionally, so you know. So let's see here. We go into the mitochondria, and in the stomach. And let's update the information there as well and connect with the new energies that are going to be flowing here in the system. And now I'm feeling here something is happening in the uterus, and if you're a man, it's in the lower part of your body, close to your genitals and your urinary tract as well. I'm seeing, and basically in the left side there for some of you, and for some of you guys or girls, I'm so sorry, it's in the ovaries. So if you feel that what I'm saying resonates with you and your body and your physical intelligence is identifying that problem, when I'm saying things, you're going to notice that there is a switch in the energy in your system at the same time, so we're going to the right track. Okay, so if you don't feel that, that's not for you, because we're doing collective information here that's being shared. So, but we're doing a very big update together, connecting here with so many souls, not only in this side, but also on the other side. So it's a big, big, big work, because we are connected at some level. So sometimes we have underlying issues that are common to each other, or family issues, or past life issues, or I can carry, for example, some wisdom from past lives that I'm sharing here for you and activating you in some situation that you're experiencing in the present moment. And this method is very quick, and we can go directly to the cause and the issues, and then it's like they're removed. And then if it's come up, if something else come up, then it's something else that's coming up. But the problem is already removed. It's not something that you need to like heal and take time and blah 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 blah, because you're doing quick, because you're doing it at a very very high vibrational field. And it's taken me a lot of work to stay in this high vibrational field constantly. Okay, but let's see here. Okay, we're going here to the your lower organs and your uterus and your ovaries, and if you're a man, your lower part of the body. We have as well connection here with the gallbladder and meridian. So let's activate the gallbladder meridian, and let's do a very big cleansing that, and let's strengthen the cleansing, and I'm gonna increase the speed here. So let's increase the speed. Yeah, I'm feeling that it's happening. So okay, digestive system strong. We're going to balancing out as well the food in the stomach and in the conception vessel. Do my Renmai strong. Renmai, yeah, it's Renmai. That's the part of the conception vessel there. So it's clearing Renmai, and the Renmai is going directly into the information that you've been carrying um, in the water element, that is the essence in your system and lower parts of your body. So it's going to memories from childhood and past lives, and sometimes memories from your family members and things that have been stored as we are working at the right level. And I do understand there is a connection with what's happening there and what we just did in the throat, and also clearing past information and sorrow and the grief and all of that, with all of that information that we released around the lungs and the thoracic cavity. And actually, the root cause was there in the second, between the second, third chakra, created some sort of imbalances um, in your life, perhaps in your finances or relationships. If you guys have felt doubt, insecurities, lack of peace, or lack of groundedness, um, many of these information that we are, a lot of this information that was releasing right now are coming from these memories. Okay, let's release the products of the cells in that region, and strengthening the capacity to translate new information that we are integrating the DNA into the RNA in the cells. And it's happening while I'm feeling that very strong here. Um, and let's strengthen as well the past and the memories and the knowledge and the discernment of the information that you took in that it's not really part of you, and that's release and let go, and the discern and create discernment in the energy field. Let's choose a color here to create that discernment, and let's choose the yellow color. It came up here for me, and the blue color as well. So let's create a discernment that every time that this situation happens, a similar situation, because same situation doesn't happen, you have the blue and the yellow color coming up to your consciousness so that you can see and recognize it. Okay, it just thought of it intuitively here. It just came through. So okay, let's release the fears, and let's connect here with the telepathic channel that's being built between that area and your throat and your thoracic cavity. And let's open up as well some blockages here in the do my, and that's connected with the heart area. I'm feeling so much pain here. Okay, some of you guys, you have stored a lot in this region around the heart area. Let's connect with the do my, and let's unblock here information that's connected with a lot of tension and a lot of effort that some of you have have been doing to achieve certain things in your life, some struggles and some other challenges that have limited your capacity to express your love, your creativity, and embrace your true love in your heart, and allow yourself